enthusiasm, we are starting our day, that is Thursday. Thursday ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ವಾರ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ? ಗುರುವಾರ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಎಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ದ ಕನ್ನಡ ವೀಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ವಾರಗಳು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನೀವು? ಸೋಮವಾರ, ಮಂಗಳವಾರ, ಬುಧವಾರ, ಗುರುವಾರ, ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ, ಶನಿವಾರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಭಾನುವಾರ, ಹಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್? Yes, as usual, we need to finish our daily routines. You are doing no your daily routines? ಏನಂತ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? Yes, get up early in the morning, sleep early in the night, take a bath every day, brush your teeth twice in a day. Always you have to gargle your mouth after each and every eatings. That may be meals, dinner, supper, snacks, milkshakes, milk, any chocolates or any breaks. After eating you need to gargle your mouth cleanly. Okay? Next, trim your nails once in a week, trim your hairs once in a month. What else? Always be smiling and always keep yourself engaged in one or two good workings. What are those? You can do the potteries at home, you can play with the sand, and afterwards you need to wash your hands. You can do many kinds of craft works. You can do some paintings also. Then what else? You can do the artwork. Yes, then you can do some work with using the natures. So many craft work, small craft work is there. You can watch through the YouTube and you can try at home. Okay? Yes? Yes. With that, always I am saying you need to warm up yourself from the inside. How you can warm up from the inside? By doing a small exercise or small yoga poses. Okay children, how is that? Like stretching your hands, stretching your legs, bending your necks, blinking your eyes, bending your waist, rounding your waist. Then what else? Touching your toes with bending of the backbone. Correct now? These are all the many small exercise and yogas. You can do it with enthusiasm. Okay? Yes? Yes. Okay children? Now shall we start our class? Yes. First class is our English. First class is our English. Okay? In that we were learning about long ovals. We learned E, I, also A. Now we are learning the family of O. In that we learned O, A. Cold, coat, soap, soak. Like that we learned. Today we are learning O-E family. Okay? O-E family. Okay, in this family there is one silent word, that is the E. We will not pronounce the phonic sound of the E in the OE family. What is that? How? See, we will write some letters like cone. O-E is there. Only we will cut our phonic sound for N. We will stop. Cone. N. With there only we will cut, but we will write E because E is a silent word in that family. Okay, next is phone. Phone. Okay, stone. Stone. Everywhere I am cutting my words in the end. Stone, phone, cone. Okay, bone. Tone. Okay, bone, tone. Correct. Hold. Okay, children. These all are some words of AEOE family. What are those? Cone, phone, stone, bone, tone, hold. The E will be always in a silent. Okay, E will be in a silent. We will not spell the E, the phonic sound of E. That is a. Always we'll say tell no egg. We will not tell like that. We will not read this as a bony, bone like that. We will not read. We will read it as a bone. Now will be the cutted, sharp cutted. Okay, this is the words of OE family. What are those? Cone, phone, stone, bone, tone, hole. Okay, I'll write some sentences for this saying. Okay, first one is the snake is in the hole. I have a red phone. Okay, I have a red phone. These are the snake is in the hole. I have a red phone. These are some sentences. Okay, that we can make it by using the long oval of the hole. Okay, children? Yes. See, in your Discover Phonics, the page number 18 and 19, they are given some words. I will read it for you. Just go through that. Open your Discover Phonics book. In that, page number 18 and 19. What they given? OE family, bone, cone, hole, hose, mole, poke, pole and a rope. The sentence they are given, the dog likes to hide its bone. The dog likes to hide its bone. The mole dug a deep hole. Mole is nothing but the another name for the rat. It's a kind of rat. Okay. The mole dug a deep hole. Okay. Okay, children. The homework is okay. Write words in 4 lines book. Okay. They are given some words, no? Bone, cone, hole, hose, mole, poke. Discover the phonics, page number 18. That you have to write 3 times. Okay, 3 times in your 4 lines book. And the next one is make 5 sentences. Okay, children, make any 5 sentences using the family O-E. Okay, understood now? maths. Maths. Okay. Now today we are review numbers 21 to 30. Okay. Read the numbers from 21 to 30. Okay. Okay. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. This I write it on the board. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay. This is the numbers 21 to 30. Okay, children? Yes. In this, I'll write the number names. 20, 1, 20, 2, 20, 3, 24, 25, 26, 29, 30. Okay, children? 29, 30. This is the number names 21 to 30. You all already know this. Just I am revising the same thing. Okay? Yes. Now the homework is write 21 to 30 numbers in 4 lines. Box book. Box book. You all know, no? 21, 21 like that you have to write. Okay? And number names in next page. Okay, this is your homework for maths. Okay, children? Yes? Yes. Now we will move to our Kannada and English class. ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನಾವು ಅ ಆ ಇ ಈ ಉ ಊ ರು ಎ ಎ ಐ ಓ ಓ ವರೆಗೆ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಔ. ಔ ಔಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಔ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಔಷಧ. ಔಷಧ ಏನೇನು ವರ್ಡ್ ಇತ್ತು? ಅ ಆ ಅ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಥವಾ ಅಗಸ, ಆ ಆನೆ, ಈ ಇಲಿ, ಈ ಈಶ, ಉ ಉಡುಗೊರೆ, ಊ ಊದು ಊಟ, ರು ಋಷಿ, ಎ ಎಲೆ, ಎ ಏಣಿ, ಐ ಐವರು, ಓ ಒಂಟೆ, ಓ ಓಟ, ಔ ಔಷಧ. ಔಷಧ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆಡಿಸನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಔ ಔಷಧ. ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ದ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ is pages of ಔ in ಕನ್ನಡ practice book. Okay, ಕನ್ನಡ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now we are going to ಹಿಂದಿ. ಹಿಂದಿ ಏನೇ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ವಿ? ಆ ಅನಾರ್, ಆ ಆಮ್, ಈ ಇಮಲಿ, ಈ ಇನಾಮ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇಕ್ ಇಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಊ ಹುಲ್ಲು, ಊ ಊನ್, ರು ಋಷಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎ एक, ये एनक, ओ ओकली. Today we are going to learn ow. ओ औ औ औरत. औरत ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಔರತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ವಿಮೆನ್. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಔರತ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಎ ಐ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓ ಓ ಓಕಲಿ ಔ. ಓ ಓ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಓ ಇರೋದಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದು ಔ. ಓಕೆ, ಔ ಔರತ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಂದಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ is different and Hindi is different. Okay, the homework is complete. Page number 22 and 23 in Hindi book. In Hindi practice book, complete page number 23 and 22 and 23. Okay, 22 and 23 in Hindi practice practice book. Okay children, this is your Hindi and Kannada. You need to read these two. Okay, now I am giving one your fun activity that is in your My Art Card book. Page number 20 and 21. Okay, My Art Card book, page number 20 and 21. What they have given there? In that they have given butterfly pencil case. You have to peel your pencil and you can stick it here. Okay. Then another one is speedy rocket. Okay. A rocket you need to color with the crayons. Okay children. Next I will tell you what you have to do in it's your early learning program. Watch and the egg story. Okay, watch and the egg story in your watch and the egg story in your where literally companion app. Okay, in that what you can do, you can count the eggs laid by wood by 1 to 10. Okay children, then there is a special club also. What is that? What color are your eyes? Your eyes are in which color children? And what color is your hair? What color is your hair? Okay. The next one is it long or short? Is it wavy or curly? Okay. Is it straight? How many teeth do you have? Okay. Then name some special things about yourself. What do you like doing about? Okay. Something special you have to tell. And what do you like to do yourself? Okay children, this is today's class. I think you all enjoyed. Now I will stop my boring classes. Now Rashmi ma'am will come and tell you something rhymes or story. Okay, whichever it will gives you lots of fun, she will do it. Okay, bye.
Hello children, hope you all enjoying the classes. Yes, today I am going to tell a story about the fox and the crow. Which story is this? The fox and the crow. So let's see what and all insight we have in this book. Okay children, just listen to the story and enjoy. Yes? Okay. One day the door of the cottage was open. A crow flew in through the door. You know what happened children? One day the door was open of the cottage. Okay, a crow flew a crow flew in through the door, inside the door. As you can see, a door is open and the crow is inside. Okay, so let's see what happens to that. The crow stood on a piece of meat from the table and flew to the bunch of the tall tree. You know what happened? As soon as when the cottage door was open, the crow, as usual, he flew inside, and you can see in the table of meat. Yes, he picked up and flew away. ಆ ಮೀಟನ್ನ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಈ ಕ್ರೋ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಾಯಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಾರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊರಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So let's see what happens next. Just as he had settled day to enjoy his meat, a fox came along and stopped under the tree. He smelled something good. Look at here. What you can see? A fox. You know what happened? The crow, see table, he flew a bunch of a tall tree. Okay, he stolen a piece of a meat from the table and flew to the bunch of a tall tree. You can see a tall tree, a bunch of a tall tree. The crow is sitting on the tree with a bunch of leaves. Okay, and here comes, who is this? It's a fox. You know, he smelled something and he came near to the tall tree. Okay, he feels something good smell for the fox. Okay, so let's see what happens. Even the crow was enjoying the meat. Yes, the crow was enjoying the meat. Okay, so let's see what happens. The fox looked for meat in the crow's beak. His mouth watered as well. Okay, see here, children. You can see a tall tree and the fox is in the down and the crow is up. The crow is sitting on the tall tree. And you know what happened? The fox started watering in his mouth. On ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಜೋಡಿಸೋಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ? He wanted to eat that meat. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋದು ಮೀಟು? ಕಾಗೆ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋ ಮೀಟ್ನ ಹೇಗಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೊಂಚಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಆದರೆ ಕ್ರೋ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೆ? ತನ್ನ ಬೀಕಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, the fox thought of the way to get the meat. Finally an idea came of his mind. Okay, ಈ ಹೆಂಗಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಕಾಗೆ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋ ಒಂದು ಮೀಟ್ನ ನಾನು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಫಾಕ್ಸು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, the fox threw off the way to get meat. Finally an idea came out on his mind. So he's thinking something in his mind to get that meat, the fox. Okay, so let's see what happens. He remembered that the crow is a proud bird. He decided to flatter him. Okay, you know, the bird is too intelligent. Okay, he remembered that the crow is a proud bird. He decided to flatter him. ಈ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಈ ಕ್ರೋನ ತುಂಬ ಹೊಗಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ರೋ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ಫ್ಲಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾರು? ಫಾಕ್ಸು. ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಕ್ರೋಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, he began, good day, my pretty bird. I wish you were so beautiful. The crow didn't reply. He just sat proudly. You know what happened? He began, good day, my pretty bird. I wish you were so beautiful. The crow didn't reply. He just sat proudly. ಈ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಈ ಕಾಗೆಗೆ ನೀನು ತುಂಬ ತುಂಬ ಅಂದವಾಗಿದೆಯಾ, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ ಈ ಫಾಕ್ಸು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಕ್ರೋ. ಆದರೆ ಕ್ರೋ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಾಯೇ ಬಿಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ತನ್ನ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಬೀಕಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? ಮೀಟ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಆ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಮೀಟು ಬಿದೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ರೋ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Oh my God, you have such a graceful neck and the bright eyes. All the birds must be jealous of you, the fox added. But the crow didn't answer. You know what happened? The fox again started fluttering him. Oh my God, you're such a graceful. You have such a graceful neck and the bright eyes. All birds must be jealous of you, the fox added. ಈ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಾಗೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಕ್ಷಿಗಳು ನೀನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಜಲಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿದೆಯಾ, ನಿನ್ನ ಕತ್ತು, ಓಕೆ, ನಿನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣು, ನಿನ್ನ ನಿನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪಳ 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 ಅಂತ ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಈ ಫಾಕ್ಸು ಏನನ್ನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಆದರೆ ಈ ಕ್ರೋ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? He didn't reply anything to the fox because he is having meat in his beak. Yes. Then the fox said, "It is so sad that you didn't talk. You have a sweet voice. If you could sing, you would have been earned king of birds." You know what happened? Once again, the fox started saying to the crow. Then the fox said, "It is so bad. ನೀನು ತುಂಬ ಬೇಜಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಕಾಗೆ? ನೀನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಈ ನರಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಕಾಗೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರೋಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾಗೆಗೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಾಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ? ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ ತನ್ನ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಬಿದ್ದೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಈ ನರಿ ತಿನ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ ಈ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? "ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್" ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ನಿನ್ನ ಧ್ವನಿ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಕಾಗೆಗೆ. ಯಾರು? ಇದು ಫಾಕ್ಸು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸು ನೀನೇ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತೀಯಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಫಾಕ್ಸು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Hearing this, the crow uttered caw caw. At once the piece of meat fell from his mouth. ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಈ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಈ ಫಾಕ್ಸು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತು? ನಿನ್ನ ಕಂಠ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಈ ಕಾಗೆಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಓ, ಇವ್ರು ತುಂಬ ನನಗೆ ಹೊಗಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಈ ಕಾಗೆ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಕಾ ಕಾ ಅಂತ ಕೂಗಿ ತನ್ನ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಮೀಟ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದೋಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? The fox instantly grabbed the meat and ran away. He had fooled the crow with the flattery. Very bad of this fox, right? ಪಾಪ, ಇದು ತಾನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಒಂದು ಬಾಗಿಲು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದಾಗ ಇದು ಹಾರಿ ತನ್ನ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದೊಂದು ಮೀಟ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ತಿನ್ನೋಕೆ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಈ ನರಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಅದನ್ನ ಹೊಗಳಿ ಹಟ್ಟೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಕಾಗೆನ. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಕಾಗೆ ಓ, ನನ್ನ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳೋಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತನ್ನ ಬಾಯಿನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಕಾ ಕಾ ಅನ್ನೋಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ತನ್ನ ಬಾಯಿಗಿದ್ದು ಮೀಟ್ನ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿದ್ದೋಯ್ತು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಓಡೋಗಿ ಈ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಎಂಥ ಗಡ್ಡಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ಫಾಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತು? ಅದನ್ನ ಹೊಗಳಿ ಹಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಲ್ಲ. So hope you all enjoyed this story, children. The fox and the crow story. Yes. So next week ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಬಂದಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. Until then, you can also watch in the YouTube, children, the stories and all. You can see more stories. Okay, children. So until then, bye and take care, children.